Hello everyone, this is Brad, and I'm going through the Oomlout's Experimenter's Guide for Arduino. This is project 13, and in this project we'll be looking at force-sensitive resistors and using one to control the power to a LED and control its brightness. So as we see here, as I squeeze that, it increases the voltage to the LED and makes it brighter and darker. And this is really sensitive resistor here. I'm barely even touching it, and now it turns on. So now here we have one side is connected to power and one side is connected to ground, buffer with a 10 kilo ohm resistor. The LED here is controlled with pin 9, and then ground here with a 560 ohm resistor. And here we're monitoring the power that, or the voltage that this resistor is sending through this tip here, or allowing through, and then we're going to use that value, or that voltage then converts to 1 to 1024, 0 to 1023 value, and then we're going to use that value and convert it into a voltage to control this LED brightness. So okay, and here's the code for the force sensitive resistor. Here we're setting up sense pin and LED pin variables. Pin 2 and pin 9 are the pins we'll be using for the sensor and the LED respectively. Setup, we're setting a serial begin, so we can connect with the serial monitor and at a 9600 baud data transfer rate, and then setting the LED pin as an output. And in this the main loop here, the first part here, value, we're setting the analog read, the value out of the sensing pin. So 0 to 1024 or 1023, we're dividing that by 4, so we can then use it to write to the LED pin, and then if you remember the digital pins, since we have the LED pin hooked to pin 9, the digital pins have a 0 to 255 value, and that corresponds to 0 to plus 5 volts. So we convert this 0 to 1023 range to 0 to 255, so then we can control the brightness of the LED. And then the serial print here, we're printing that in the debug window, and here, as you can see, as I squeeze that, the numbers change. So the harder I press, the higher the value. And there's the code.